What's up, you guys? Today we're making the Tom Brady TB12 breakfast smoothie. This is what he drinks every day. It's what helped him play football till he was like 45 years old. I know he just retired, but really good smoothie. A lot of health benefits in it. So the most important ingredient in this Tom Brady health smoothie are these super seeds. Hemp seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. For 3 tablespoons, the mixture of seeds in there. These are high in omega-3s, ton of fiber, protein. Your body does not naturally make omega-3s. That's why they always the doctors tell you to eat salmon, things like that to get omega-3s in your body. Really good, healthy fats. Your body does not naturally make that, so you have to get it from other sources. Get this in any health store or on Amazon, put it in the cupboard. Just add it to the smoothie, 1, 2, 3. You get all this fiber, omega-3 fatty acids. Really, really good seeds right here. Also, wild blueberries. Twice the antioxidants of regular blueberries you get in the grocery store. They're organic. You get these in the freezer section. I get these at BJ's. You can get them at Costco. And since it's frozen, it'll last you forever. It's not going to go bad like regular blueberries would in the fridge. For sweetness, you want some monk fruit sweetener. You get enough sweetness from the blueberries, but if you want to make it extra sweet, it's not going to spike your blood sugar like regular sugar will. Monk fruit sweetener is the way to go. So just grab a blender. To the blender, 1 banana. And you could double up this recipe, leave it in the fridge for the next morning as well. Put a cup and a half of these. Mixture of chia seeds, flax seeds, whole hemp seeds. A couple of tablespoons of that. Touch of monk fruit. About a teaspoon. You could use raw unfiltered honey as well. And then you just want to cover that with almond milk or oat milk. Tom Brady uses almond milk. I like the almond milk as well. Just make sure everything's covered. This way it blends. You don't want it too thick. You won't be able to drink it. Here's a straw. Tom Brady's TB12 health smoothie. Have this at least 3 times a week. You'll be feeling better in no time. Plus, it tastes great. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.